Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am giving you a full beginner-friendly tutorial on how to use the TradingView mobile app in 2025. Whether you are trading stocks, crypto, forex, or just want better charting tools, this app is an absolute must. I will show you everything setting up charts using indicators, alerts, and even placing trades. Let's dive in. First things first, download the TradingView app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. Just go to your Play Store, then search for TradingView, then open it, then click install. Once you open it, you can either create a free account or sign in if you already have one. On the homepage, you will see your personalized feed. It shows trading ideas, charts, watch list, futures, forex, crypto, etc. But we are here for the charts, so tap the chart icon at the bottom. This is your main workshop. At the top, see the symbol you are looking at, like Bitcoin, Tesla, or Euro or USD, like that. Tap into search and Swiss assets. Pinch to zoom in, zoom out. Swipe left and right to scroll through time. At the bottom, you have a mini toolbar. Like crosshair helps you check exact prices and dates. Indicators add tools like moving averages RSI, MACD, drawing tools like trend lines, rectangles, FIV, fib, retracements. More on that soon. Time frames easily switch from 1 minute, 5 minute, daily, weekly charts. Super clean, super simple. Now let's add indicators. Tap the FX icon at the bottom. Then you will see a giant list of indicators. Both built-in and community made. For example, search for moving average, tap into your chart. Want to customize it? Tap the indicator name at the top. You can change the settings, color, and style. You can change layout from here. Then click templates. Then save indicator templates or open templates from here. Then choose the chart types like candles, bars, etc. Drawing tools are traders' best friend. Tap the pencil icon. This opens all your tools: trend, lines, ray, horizontal line. Tap to select a tool, then tap and drag like that. You can tap any drawing to edit, move, or delete. Like that. This is great for marking key price levels before you make a move. Want to be notified when something important happens? Just tap the price line on the right, like that. Tap alert. You can set alerts for price levels, indicators crossing certain points, or even custom conditions. You will get a push notification when your alert triggers. Super handy if you don't want to stare at charts all day. Did you know you can trade directly from the TradingView app? If you have a linked broker account, just tap the trade button. You will be able to set order types like market limit, stop, loss, and even sim your open positions. And that's it. You are ready to start using the TradingView mobile app like a pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.